According to 2011 census, which state of India has highest difference in literacy? Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following union territory has the highest literacy according to census 2011? Lakshadweep. According to NASA, what percent of total part of the world is forested? 31%. Which planet rotates clockwise? Venus, Uranus. Primary function of transistor. To amplify signal, which type of diode is commonly used for voltage regulation? Zener diode. Semi-high-speed train that runs from Delhi to Agra. Gatiman Express. Name of popular sweet which is originated from Turkey. Baklava. What is the term for the flow of electrons through conductor? Electric current. Which is wettest place in India? Mausinram. What is the scientific name of cow? Bos indicus. What is the primary function of microcontroller? To process digital data. What is the process by which an atom gains or loses electrons to form ions? Ionization. What is the pH of neutral solution? 7. Which mountain range runs along the border between India and Myanmar? Patkai range. What is the function of cornea in human eye? To protect the eye from external damage. What is the chemical formula of phenyl? C6H5. Who was the author of the book Daughter of the East? Benazir Bhutto. Who was the author of the book Waiting for Mahatma? R.K. Narayan. What is the full form of CPM in YouTube? Cost per mile.